All right, our veggies are tossed now, so we're going to take some butter. We're going to just lightly run that along the bottom of our dish, and then we're going to add our vegetables over the top. All right, we're going to put these in the oven. I'm going to put them on the lower shelf because I'm taking a separate baking pan. I'm going to get just a little bit of oil on here. And then I'm going to rub them around our rings. And then I'm going to put those on the top. All right, we're going to take our pan, and our temperature is still at number 8 on this. So we'll heat our oil. Then we'll come over and prepare our pork chop. So we're going to cover both sides, salt and pepper and cumin. And then we're going to put chili powder on top of the cumin. And once we have this covered, we'll drag along our plate over oil to make sure it's covering the bottom of the pan, and we'll put our pork chop in.